Period and frequency, the two very basic quantities for every oscillation. What do we mean by oscillation? Every repeating motion could be named as oscillation, like heartbeat, like spin of the earth, like a pendulum, or spring mass. An oscillation needs a time to repeat. So this time is called period, the time you need for one full cycle. Rotation of the earth, let's say the spin of the earth, takes 24 hours for one full cycle. An orbital motion of the earth takes 1 year. And second hand of the watch takes 1 minute to go round the clock. 1 minute means 60 seconds. And fluttering of the honeybee takes almost 5 milliseconds. You see, for period you can use every arbitrary unit of time. Period is necessarily a positive quantity, and in SI units we always use second for the units. Period and frequency. What the frequency is? Frequency is highly related to period. Let's learn it using an example. The object in figure oscillates 4 times in each second. 4 times in each second means that in 1 second you will have 4 complete cycles. This is called frequency. So frequency is the number of oscillations in 1 second, or in general in unit time. How long does it take for one oscillation? One oscillation means that you have to go for one oscillation here, not 4 oscillations. So let's divide both sides by 4. Here I have a quarter of a second, and accordingly the total number of oscillations is divided by 4. So I have just one oscillation here, and it takes a quarter of a second. It's called period. As you see, period and frequency have inverse relation. If you use unit of second for period, the unit of frequency will be hertz. Thank you for watching this video.